Good afternoon. Being a part of Faster Capital's program has been a game changer for our startup, Molly's Angels. The review process was rigorous, and the feedback from angel investors was instrumental in helping us improve our pitch deck and business plan. The team at Faster Capital was extremely supportive and gave us valuable insights and connections. Mr. Hisham Shrek's guidance was invaluable, and his expertise in the industry has helped us to navigate the fundraising process with confidence. We are now well positioned to secure the funding we need to take our startup to the next level. And we couldn't have done it without Faster Capital. Thank you, Faster Capital.